Track day prep for you. Body prep. It's more than bike prep. I got the bikes taken care of. We're gonna get him a new helmet. I want to get him a Bluetooth setup so we can talk.
Big.
This guy. Oh, man, you got baby legs. Damn, other people in here. This is our world right here. This is where we're going to. Just coming back from basketball tryouts. What'd you do?
I made varsity.
Varsity. So yeah, this is Squid World right here. Open face helmets. Yeah, fall bust your face open. While I'm riding, I'm gonna get a hamburger. Drink my Starbucks while I'm mashing. Nah, but actually,
No, I was just saying about the helmet that you know.
Yeah. So we ain't doing no icons, huh? Yeah, you got the Rossi joints. Yeah, these are AGV. The helmet that I have is the other one is a limited edition AGV. AGV does that stuff for Rossi.
A whole bunch of them.
Yeah. So they're cool for the street, right? We want maximum protection options on track. Doesn't matter. We're hoping that talent does not make us use our safety gear. So we're doing some helmet shopping for Jaylen. We really need something with the Bluetooth in it already. I would like to, but if not, I'll just get a Bluetooth add-on, like the center of the Cardo. That's a medium and it's a Dici. It's too small?
It's too tight.
But your helmet size is a medium. And that's where we keep the haircut. Medium or a large, yeah, cop the visor. Pop it up. Now, helmets, how they're supposed to fit. They are supposed to fit snug, but you're not supposed to be uncomfortable. Your chin clearance, yeah, you're good there. Okay.
This is my mouth.
Huh?
It's just my mouth.
Yeah. Push this like you're trying to crush your head. See how that shit ain't flexing?
Yeah.
See how that ain't flexing? Now watch this. You feel some flex?
Yeah, I can flex it.
Here, hold it.
Yeah, I see. Yeah, I can see it too.
That's what you don't want. Say you fall and get rolled over. That's gonna be on your head. We'll just have to find one that matches your gear, maybe.
But it's us think maybe something that's either all black or black and white.
Yeah, all black or something like that. And then we'll look down here and make sure that they got the actual helmet in stock. So let's do that. We'll be back. Okay. All right, we're back at the crib. Jaylen got his helmet. He's letting his Bluetooth and everything charge. Also, what I picked up yesterday were these bike chocks. So I got this type. That's going to be a semi-permanent attachment to the trailer. Then I got this type. This is going to be the one I use, for in the pits. Just roll the bike up to it. It locks them in. Both bikes, obviously, you see kickstands are up, but it's pretty much locked in. It's dope because you could just pull right up. Look at that. I good money. Weren't you just eating fries and nuggets and hot chips? This guy think because he's an athlete, he could eat the whole house up.
I have to watch what I eat. I really do.
Okay, he's an athlete now. So yeah, we are pretty much ready for the track. I use the bike stands in the R6 and the R3 and the wheel chock for the R1 when we get to the track. It's gonna be pretty cool. We're gonna be a fairly good sized group. I think 8 riders total. And this will be a good time. But it'll be good for you to learn that around the track. Then jump on this and see how it goes with a lot of throttle, a lot of speed.
We'll see. I'm ready for it. I'm interested on how it feels on the big track because obviously we've been doing go-kart tracks for 3 months now.
A little longer than that. I think like 6-7 months. But yeah, you've ridden this on the track 7 times, on the kart track 7 times. That's a good amount of practice. And of course, you're familiar with this. Going on the big track with this first is just going to be a familiar space. It's the same thing like walking in the park. Get your confidence in.
Yeah.
Jump on that. And
last thing I need is to be not so sure myself and make a mistake on this. When worst case scenario, it'll be better for me to make a mistake on this. God forbid I don't make a mistake, but
Yeah.
if that was to happen,
But that's why we got the helmet with Bluetooth, so I could be like, hey, little dude, you'll follow me,
yeah, as always,
and then I'll follow you.
Okay.
Because I have to visually assess that you got the right thing going on. So pretty cool. Short vlog. That's what we're doing today. Jaylen's been doing sports all day. Matter of fact, all week.
Yeah.
Did you score a touchdown on Thursday?
No.
Just interception?
Yeah.
Okay. Interception and defense. That was a good deal.
Yep.
Jaylen has been scoring multiple touchdowns and a couple interceptions, but that was good to not have it. That game on Thursday, he had a doubleheader, so he had 2 different games, but he was playing all defense, so had to run down a couple guys, and that's what actually got you guys in a good position to win the game because...
I hopped that dude down.
Yeah, because if he had scored, y'all would have been like, I had to yell from the sideline, Jaylen, you better go get that boy. Jaylen turned on afterburners. He ran dude down and caught him, and they didn't score. And then I don't think they turned that into a point. So, yeah, that's, he's doing his athlete thing. So that's pretty cool. Now he's got a lot on his plate. He's a busy dude. And then the 23rd, we're testing the convertible. The 23rd, we're testing the convertibles. So
this month, because honestly, like I've been telling everybody who's been asking me about like bikes and cars, I'm more invested in the cars than in the bikes.
Which is ironic because everybody thinks I'm super into the bikes more than the cars. I'm actually not. These are just super easy to pull out and go do stuff with. So
that's why you see us doing it more.
Yeah.
All we have to do is open up the garage
and be gone. Yeah. It's always the cars for me, but these are like the good side broads.
It's also good because after I started learning clutch work on the motorcycle,
it came easier on the car, right? Yeah.
So there's good things that come with bikes, and there's not so good things that come with bikes. But
right,
at the end
and
of the day,
plus the motion and movement from this, is
you can relate that in a car.
Very, very much so.
It's good to have both worlds. So
best of them both.
Yeah, but I can't wait to drive some cars again.
Yeah, because we still got to throw in your seat and the wheel, get everything fitted for you. So the 23rd, we're going to go out, test the car. But next weekend, the 15th, probably at the moment that you guys are going to see this actual video, we're at the track doing things. So that's going to be it for this one. It's a real short vlog.
Y'all too, and we'll catch y'all
later.
Yeah.